That's the next breaking news that we are getting. Big statement by senior Congress leader. And the senior Congress leader, in fact, here wants a clarity from the Congress party on what really is the political strategy. Decide if coalition politics is needed or not. Let's go across to Priya for more on this. Yes, Priya.
Right, and it's a very senior Congress leader who is speaking out on social media. Swati, Tariq Anwar is saying that Congress needs to clarify what exactly is it going to be its political strategy going ahead from here. They have to decide whether they want to be in alliance with other parties or they want to work on the party's prospects itself. Remember, this is significant because this is exactly what happened in Delhi as well. Udit Raj earlier had also said that what happened to Congress in Delhi was an outcome of fighting between the state unit and the national leadership. Rahul Gandhi, remember, is said to have forced Ajay Makan's hand when he had declared he is going to do a press conference declaring Arvind Kejriwal anti-national. It was only after he cancelled several other rallies after that, and there was some more discussion between Ajay Makan and Rahul Gandhi, state leadership and the national leadership. After Aam Aadmi Party put Rahul Gandhi's face on their poster amongst the corrupt in the opposition, that Rahul Gandhi eventually turned up for campaigning. This is perhaps what Tariq Anwar is highlighting, that you cannot, just to keep BJP out of bay, decide that your party is going to suffer, and if you decide that, make a decision, take a decision whether you are going to be in alliance to keep BJP at bay or whether you are going to fight alone for Congress's political prospects, he says. Along with that, पार्टी के संगठन में मूलभूत परिवर्तन करना भी जरूरी हो गया है. The organizational structure has to be overhauled. Now, this is very interesting. Who exactly is he pointing at? Who in the organization must go? Who must come in? Those are the big questions that Congress must answer now.
Absolutely. Priya, thank you very much for taking us through that post put out by Tariq Anwar. Let me go back to Niyamika. Niyamika, like I was saying, it's not just the allies. Now, the senior leaders of the Congress party questioning the political strategy. All right, before you respond to that, Niyamika, we have R.P. Singh of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us on the broadcast. R.P. Singh, it's not just about infighting within the INDI anymore. It's about the senior leaders of the Congress party who are asking for a clarification on what really is our strategy. Should we really be part of this alliance or not? That's the question coming to the fore.
Well, actually, none of them matter in the party. It's the dynasty which matters in the party, and dynasty decides everything. And dynasty has been a confused dynasty. When the Congress leadership have been confused, they were contesting the election against each other in Delhi, whereas they were in alliance in Chandigarh as far as the mayor election goes. So I remember that Amul's utterly confusion. That's how they are. So they can keep cribbing whatever they want to crib, but ultimately they have a leadership which has failed them, and then there's a confused leadership which they have.
All right, confused leadership, and the leadership has failed them. That's the reason why the Congress netas are asking these questions, says R.P. Singh of the BJP. Let's go back to Niyamika. Niyamika, we are trying to get more political reactions on this, but this is a big development. Congress party, once again, the top leadership being questioned. What is the political strategy, asks Mr. Anwar.
Well, yes, and it is because after these assembly elections in the national capital, now it is going to be Bihar, and for that reason also it is needed to be clarified by the Congress party that whether they believe in the coalition politics or they want to contest alone against the regional parties as well. Because on one side, when this question was being asked, when this question regarding the India bloc partners raising a question upon the Congress party in the national capital, then all of the leaders of the Congress party are responding by saying that the India bloc was formed just for the general elections 2024, not for the assembly elections. As for that reason, now another question which will be raised here is that whether the same strategy will be implemented in the Bihar assembly elections as well, and that is the only reason why this kind of a response is coming in on the part of Congress party's Lok Sabha MP Mr. Tariq Anwar, because he is also saying that the party needs to clarify that what is its official stand regarding the coalition politics, because on one side at the national level all of these parties are standing united. They are saying that we want to contest against the BJP, we want to defeat the BJP, but on the other side in these various states it is basically contesting against each other, helping the BJP to form the government.
So on one hand there's political blame game happening, infighting happening within the INDI, but on the other hand there's a Bahana script which is ready as well. Niyamika, stay on with us. We have some more breaking